How to use a desktop reader with a computer. Cykeo will give you a detailed explanation. Adopting an integrated aluminum alloy frame design. Connect to the computer via serial communication. Combine to become an efficient librarian workstation. Next, we open the test demo. Here, select the connection port and adjust the parameters. After the selection is complete, the system prompts that the connection is successful. Now, let's take a bunch of labels and test them. Here we click Read. Start reading. You can see that the device can quickly read a total of such labels. Let's redo the reading. The device still reads fast. The number of reads is still 30. The power of the test can also be modified by software. The amount of power can depend on the range size of the identification tag. It can be adjusted by power in different scenarios. Reach the identification range we need. Want to know more features? Well, then get in touch with Cykeo.